In today's day and age, the world of content creation is constantly evolving, and this includes one very important, newer type of technology, which is known as AI. And AI is truly just taking over the world, and I say it all the time, but it really is. It's everywhere now. And AI has truly revolutionized how creators create their content, how they optimize their content, and what their content overall looks like. And in this video, we are going to explore the best AI software that I have found to use for YouTube channels. And with that being said, we're going to dive into the innovative features of the TubeMagic tool. Different AI softwares can play a huge role in enhancing the quality of YouTube content and the efficiency in which the YouTube content is being put out into the world. And by leveraging AI platforms, creators can really grab a hold of their workload and take control of their lives. And they can do this because AI just makes their lives a whole lot easier. Because not only is AI there to help you come up with different ideas and learn different things, but it can also be a great tool to analyze different data trends, especially within the social media world and when you're just trying to grow a YouTube channel. And oh my goodness, AI is just so important, and I cannot stress that enough, especially within the YouTube world. Now, I don't know about any of you if you do have a YouTube channel. Me personally, I had been using ChatGPT to help me write my scripts and come up with different video ideas, but my one issue with ChatGPT is that it's not really targeted for YouTube. But this newer tool that I found that is called TubeMagic is targeted specifically for YouTube, hence the name, TubeMagic, YouTube. There we go. And that is exactly why I love using TubeMagic so much. TubeMagic truly harnesses the power of AI to help creators with different aspects of their workload. Whether it be content optimization or generating different ideas or writing scripts for your videos, TubeMagic, they've got your back. And TubeMagic's ability to generate scripts is actually one of my favorite features that they offer, because it is able to generate scripts based on different trends and include SEO optimized keywords within the scripts to help your videos within the algorithm. And this feature enables creators to stay ahead of the curve and really stay on top of trends. And in my opinion, after getting this software and being able to play around with it a bit, it is truly the best AI software for a YouTube channel, in my opinion. Okay. But the other day, I just took some time, I sat down and I relaxed and I was like, I have TubeMagic. Hold on. I'm gonna go and look at all of the different features that it offers and kind of play around with the different tools. And let me tell you guys, I was mind blown. I was like, I've never seen anything like this before. And all of these different features that TubeMagic offers can truly make the YouTube game a breeze. Okay. So we kind of get what TubeMagic is, right? We got a general idea. It can help you with your YouTube channel, but we don't specifically know how. So I want to get into all of that good stuff. And I thought, what better way to show you guys how great TubeMagic is and how great it can work than to sit down and show you. So I'm going to screen record my computer and we're gonna take a peek into TubeMagic. First of all, to use TubeMagic, you're going to need to sign into their platform and create yourself an account. And once you've created an account and you're into the platform, it should look something like this. I'm in the home page and it says tools. Here we are, okay? We're getting crazy. And under the tools section, you can see at this moment of time, there are 3 different sections here. And we have ideate and research. So we have video ideas, community posts, video research, keyword research, weekly trends coming soon, which probably will be there by the time this video comes out. You know, they're always gonna be adding some stuff here. And now we have scripting with video scripts, script resizer. Ooh, that looks fun. That looks up my alley. And then we have upload and optimize. So warp upload, video titles, video descriptions, and video tags. Now look, wow, this is new. All of this stuff is new, the coming soon stuff. Now we got bonuses coming soon, niche explorer. And in this video, I'm gonna do only a base level look into this. We're not gonna get too crazy, but let's start off looking at the ideate and research section. And to give you a good idea of something, we're just gonna look into the video idea generator. Here you can see what you're supposed to do here is enter a YouTube channel's handle. So for my example, I'm going to put my brother's YouTube handle into the generator, and now it's going to analyze his content and create a video idea based off of his content. It's not copying his content, it's just creating content that he would create. And here you can see 5 AI tools that will make you $1,000 a month on YouTube. And now let's generate again. We're gonna get another video idea. How to build a 6-figure faceless AI YouTube empire from scratch. And then, now let's get crazy. Generate a script. You can generate a script from this video idea. Oh my goodness. And you can choose what kind of script you want, how many words you want in the script, and just crazy. It's crazy. And that was going to be the next feature that I was going to go over as well, which is going to be video scripts, generating a video script. And as you can see, I was going crazy. I was going crazy here with the video generating scripts, but you can see here, let's make a script. What do we want to make a script on? Let's see if it can do something about Harry Styles. Top 5 Harry Styles songs. Okay. General script, around 800 words, let's just say. And let's generate it. Will it do this? We'll do magic. And here you can see, it is working the magic. The tube is working the magic, you guys. Oh my gosh, they're writing. Let's see what songs they pick for his best songs. Sign of the Times, Watermelon Sugar. And I can see why these would be how AI would say those were his top songs, because they're very popular songs. Adore You. Wow, look at that. That is actually crazy. I didn't think we would get Harry Styles up in here, but we did. We did. I bet I'm the first person to enter Harry Styles into TubeMagic. I can almost guarantee it, actually, maybe. But here we go. We've got an 800-word script about the top 5 Harry Styles songs. Perfect. Now we're going to head back onto the tools section, and we're gonna look into the upload and optimize section. And here is where you can take a private video that you have uploaded to your channel, and you can take the link for that private video and put that link into the upload and optimize section in TubeMagic, and it will generate a video title and a description and tags all for that video. We're gonna take the video context here, and we're gonna say this video is about Harry Styles' top 5 songs. And we're going to generate a title for this idea. We have the script already. Now here we go. Harry Styles' top 5 songs, do you agree? Ranking Harry Styles, his best 5 tracks, or top 5 must-listen Harry Styles songs. There we go. There we go. It just makes the YouTube game so much easier. Oh my goodness, you guys. I cannot stress it enough. And using these different tools can really help your videos reach a broader audience and be put on a lot of people's screens. So this is just crucial for maximizing your video's potential to be visible to everybody, and overall the engagement on your videos on YouTube. Now, another benefit to TubeMagic would be the ability for it to automate your YouTube channel. And if you had a faceless YouTube channel and you chose to use TubeMagic, I believe that you would reach this completely automated YouTube channel faster rather than if you weren't using TubeMagic. Now, I don't know if anything I just said was a jumble of craziness, but I hope it sounded coherent. And an automated channel is where the workload for a creator, which in this case would be you, the workload for you just gets less and less over time until ideally you wouldn't have to be doing any work at all. And eventually you would only be having to click the post button, which wouldn't that be a dream? And you're also making money from this channel. So it could start with you creating all of the content, and then somebody takes over writing the scripts for you, which it could be TubeMagic. And then you could move on to having somebody edit the videos for you, and so on and so forth. Now, since I love the concept of automated YouTube channels, I decided that in this video, not only would we talk about TubeMagic, but we're gonna talk about how TubeMagic can help us automate a YouTube channel. So let's get into overall how to automate a YouTube channel. Automating a YouTube channel can really save you just so much time, and you can be sitting back, relaxing on the beach, and making money. Who wouldn't want that? Making money in your sleep. Who wouldn't want that? It's just the best type of passive income in my opinion. And in fact, my brother Matt runs several different automated YouTube channels himself. And he even makes a significant profit with these various YouTube channels. And a little bit of a fun fact about my brother is that he started his YouTube journey completely faceless. Although now he does show his face with, you just saw Make Money Matt. But when it comes to creating a completely automated YouTube channel, you're most likely going to want to create a faceless YouTube channel, because then you don't have to sit down and record these videos. You just sit back and relax, right? And making YouTube content without even having to get out of bed at all seems like a complete dream to some people, and it seems like a complete dream to me. But it can be a reality, because you don't even have to get out of bed to be making money. But faceless content is exactly what it sounds like. It's just videos where a creator doesn't have to show their face whatsoever. And these videos can look like a bunch of different things, such as top 10 videos or tutorials or educational videos, but there's just so many different possibilities within the faceless realm. So now we're gonna go over exactly how to set up this automated YouTube channel. And if you know me, you know I love find lazier ways to be making money online. So with that being said, I found a lazier way to set up your automated YouTube channel, which we love. We love being lazy over here, because why do more work if you don't necessarily have to? And the first step is going to be picking a niche, so just the topic of your channel. And you're going to want to pick a niche that you have maybe a little bit of knowledge in, or just something that overall interests you. And don't be stressed if you don't have all of the knowledge in this niche, because with Google at our fingertips, piece of cake. But picking something that you're passionate in will reflect onto your channel, because you'll be more enthusiastic to create this content. And nobody wants to put energy into something that they're not interested in. Let's just be real here. Next, I want you to utilize some different keyword research tools, TubeMagic, and then you're going to identify what topics are currently relevant within the YouTube world. A good idea would be checking out other channels in niches that you're potentially interested in to see what their content overall looks like and how well their channels are doing. And something that I would like to note with looking at other creators within the same niche of your YouTube channel is to not get discouraged when looking at other successful channels. Because if there are other successful channels within a niche on YouTube, this is in fact a good thing, because it shows that your channel can succeed as well. And that is a thing that a lot of people get twisted. They might be thinking, well, there's already a ton of huge channels within the travel niche. Why should I do that? But this just means that somebody else has tested the waters for you, and they've tested it to be safe. There's an audience and a demand within this niche. And also, YouTube is such a vast and just ginormous platform, so trust me, somebody will want to watch your content. Another thing to consider when you're picking a niche is the monetization potential. Ensure that your niche that you're picking is suitable and meets the requirements to be monetized by YouTube. And I also want you guys to pick a niche with a higher CPM. Another good thing to take note of is picking a niche with the potential to do affiliate marketing with. Here you can think to yourself, are there products within this specific niche that I could become an affiliate for? And affiliate marketing is just where you promote somebody else's product and you get commission when a viewer buys this product from your link. And then also think to yourself, will different brands want to sponsor my channel? Am I creating content that people want to sponsor? Okay, so with all of this being said, you might be maybe even more confused, being like, Kayla, well, there's all of these requirements. Which niche is the best niche to choose? And I would say the best niches to choose are going to be those with a higher RPM. And this just means you make more money per 1,000 views on your channel. And these are going to be the following niches: health, wealth, fitness, technology, finance, travel, psychology, and the list could go on here, but those are just a few different examples. But now that you've created your channel, it is time to get your content ready. I would say planning your content is something that is very important, and a tool that me and my brother personally use would be one called Trello. And Trello just makes it super easy to schedule your content, especially if your goal is to automate your content. With Trello, you can keep all of your tasks in order and in check, because within this website, you can create different lists and different boards. For example, you could have a list for video ideas, and then you could have a list for finished scripts, and then you could have a list for videos that you've already recorded and are ready to be edited, and just so on and so forth. You get the picture. Now, when it comes to coming up with different video ideas, we might have talked about a tool earlier that could help you with that, possibly, maybe if anybody remembers. Do I have any hands in the class? Can I see a hands? Can I see a show of hands in the classroom, please? Is it, oh, over there? Yes? Yes? You know what software it is? I know what it is. It's called TubeMagic. Yay! Let's get a round of applause from the class. Okay. Anyway, it's stupid. Okay, let's just say you have your YouTube channel set up, you have the niche of your channel picked out, and now you've come up with a video idea using TubeMagic. Now it's time to create a script for that video idea. You can automate parts of the script writing process using various AI tools such as Jasper AI or ChatGPT like I was saying earlier. But if any of you remember earlier, there is a really good AI tool that can help you generate scripts, and I might have even demoed how to use it. So if anybody remembers, hit me up because I totally forgot. And I totally didn't mention it literally 3 seconds ago, but TubeMagic. And I cannot stress how much time TubeMagic can save you in the video creation process and just coming up with scripts and coming up with video ideas. In fact, I even used it to create this script that I'm talking through right now. Next, let's say you have a video idea created and you have a voiceover for this video. You can use software with different automation features to edit these videos, such as Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut, which is one of my favorite free video editing softwares. And within these softwares, you can use different editing templates for different transitions, the text that you put on the screen. You can even put captions with CapCut that sync up to your video. And using these different tools will just make your life so much easier. You could also use a tool called invideo.io, which will actually convert your script into a video. And I know it sounds crazy, but you just put your script into this software and then it will put pictures and videos that correlate with what the script is talking about. A great tool when you're starting out that helps you create different thumbnails and graphic design within your channel would be the tool of Canva. And you can begin to automate this process by using their different templates. I was actually on Canva last night and I was kind of just having fun with it. I was looking at all of the different preset templates you can use. There are just hundreds and thousands of different templates to use. So go on Canva, check it out. It's kind of fun. Now at this point of the video, let's say you have a few videos ready to be posted on your YouTube channel. Here is where we can hop on into YouTube Studio and schedule our videos to post. And this just makes things a lot more clean, in my opinion, because then you don't have to worry about marking on your calendar when you're going to post these videos. You can just do it all digitally. And you can schedule when you want your videos to post, and YouTube will automatically post them on that date and time. But when you're posting your content, it is very important to optimize your content. And what better tool to optimize your content than TubeMagic? You can create your different video titles, the tags in your videos, and etc. And something that could also be smart would be sharing your YouTube content on various platforms, whether it be Instagram or TikTok or Facebook. This way you could reach a bigger audience and redirect this traffic from like Instagram back to your YouTube channel. And CapCut has a really great feature where you can convert your horizontal YouTube videos into a vertical video for like TikTok or Instagram. And once you get your channel going, okay, you got your channel going, you're starting to pedal this bicycle, make sure to regularly check in on your YouTube analytics. Because this is where you can begin to understand your viewers and get a sense of what they like, what they don't like, and just adjust your strategy from there. Money! Obviously, we want some money if we are putting all of this work into our YouTube channel. A great way to make a passive income right off the bat when you start your channel would be through the use of affiliate marketing, which I had mentioned earlier. By leveraging these different tools and techniques, you can begin to automate this much repetitive work when creating your channel. And this can allow you to focus more on the creativity within your channel and just engaging with your audience and analyzing your analytics, which is very important. And then once you get the budget to sort of play around with and you can hire other people to do different aspects of work for you, eventually all you'll have to do is hit post on these YouTube videos. And me personally, I would suggest hiring people to do the aspect of work that is your least favorite first off. So let's say you are not a fan of editing your videos at all, then the first thing that I would invest in is an editor. And then just take everything else as it comes. Now I'll make sure to link TubeMagic down below in the description. You guys can check it out. And if you're interested in furthermore starting your YouTube journey, make sure to click on this video right here. It is basically a free training course on how to run a YouTube channel without even having to make videos at all. And it's my brother's video actually. And he goes very in depth within this video. It is very helpful. Trust me, you will get value from it. Make sure to click on it right here. Whoop whoop.